We were scuba diving in Monterey Bay once, and I had a GoPro strapped to my wrist using the bicycle helmet straps. GoPro didn't have an official wrist strap back then, so I improvised. And it kept coming loose. So here's what happened when my GoPro went on its own adventure. Bob noticed that it was coming loose, and he tried to warn me about it. After it settled on the bottom for a little while, wave action caused it to tilt back onto its back, and there we were coming down looking for it. I didn't know it was recording, so I just stuck it in a pocket in order to secure it. We were at the Coast Guard wharf, which has outdoor showers where you can rinse the salt water off of your gear. The GoPro had been recording for 24 minutes. And finally, Bob shut it off. Thanks for watching. Now be sure to like and subscribe.